Welcome to Car Trend. Today, we're talking about a true American icon reborn, the 2026 Chevy Bel Air. Yes, the legend is back. Chevrolet has brought this classic nameplate into the modern era, combining retro styling with electric power, luxury features, and cutting-edge technology. The 2026 Bel Air is more than just a car, it's a rolling tribute to the golden age of cruising, redesigned for the future. Let's dive into everything that makes this new Bel Air a showstopper. From the very first glance, the 2026 Chevy Bel Air grabs your attention with its unmistakable vintage silhouette. The long, wide body is inspired by the 1957 classic, complete with signature tail fins, chrome accents, and a bold front grille. But now it's modernized with sleek LED lighting, flush door handles, and an aerodynamic roofline that balances nostalgia with innovation. The two-tone paint options, polished 20-inch wheels, and Bel Air script badging remind you this isn't just another sedan, it's a modern classic designed to stand out. Step inside, and it's like entering a retro-futuristic dream. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather and soft-touch materials, with color-matched trim that pays homage to the past. Chrome switchgear, a classic-style steering wheel, and digital gauges that mimic analog dials all give a nod to the Bel Air's heritage. But make no mistake, this interior is loaded with modern tech. A massive floating touchscreen in the center controls everything from navigation to your music, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium Bose audio system complete the upscale experience. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the 2026 Bel Air is fully electric. It's built on GM's Ultium platform, the same one used for models like the Cadillac LYRIQ and Hummer EV. That means instant torque, whisper-quiet acceleration, and impressive range. Expect dual electric motors delivering around 500 horsepower, with all-wheel drive as standard. 0 to 60 comes in around 4.5 seconds, proving that this stylish cruiser has real muscle. With an estimated range of 340 miles on a full charge and fast charging capability, the Bel Air is ready for long road trips and daily drives alike. Driving the 2026 Bel Air is smooth, confident, and surprisingly athletic for a car of its size. Thanks to a low center of gravity and adaptive suspension, it glides over rough roads and corners with control. Chevrolet has tuned the driving modes to deliver comfort, sportiness, or range depending on your mood. And yes, there's even a cruise mode that gives you a laid-back, 1950s-inspired driving experience. Safety is top tier, with Chevy's latest suite of driver assistance tech. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and even Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving system for highway travel. It's a car that looks retro but thinks like the future. As for pricing, the 2026 Chevy Bel Air is expected to start around $55,000, with top-end trims reaching into the $70,000 range. That puts it right in line with other premium electric sedans, but none of them offer the history, the flair, or the personality that the Bel Air delivers. The 2026 Bel Air is more than just a reborn classic, it's a symbol. A perfect blend of heritage and high-tech. It honors the past, lives in the present, and drives toward the future. Chevy didn't just bring back the Bel Air, they reimagined what it means to fall in love with a car again. That's it for today's feature here on Car Trend. If you enjoyed this trip into the future of a legend, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. There's more iconic steel and modern muscle coming your way, only on Car Trend.